Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add Aria, which is Opera GX AI engine, to Sidebar. Now it's quite simple. So this is the sidebar. You click on the three dots at the bottom and you look for Aria. If you check it, you would not see. Okay, here it is. This is the Aria under AI services. So you can turn it on by clicking it here. This is the shortest way to do it. But in case you want to follow the long way to do this is you open up settings and then privacy and security, scroll all the way down. In case your sidebar is not enabled, show you another way to do it. Until you see advanced, click on advanced, scroll all the way down until you see AI services, and then you enable it here. And once you've enabled it, it will be added to your sidebar. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for